today we are playing Strawberry Tower. As you see, I'm already at stage 17 because I got bored. And today I'm playing it with my cousin. Why am I voice like that? I accidentally went to the wrong spot. Oy, Ate Sam, wait lang! Ate Sam! Ba yun, Ate Sam? Bakit nag-isigaw? Ba yan? 19 na? 19 ikaw? Stage! Hala! Uy, Ate Sam! Wait lang! Wait lang, Ate Sam!
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Ano ba ang sa... ito? Uy! Ate Sam! Naku!
Ano ba?
Dito! Ang sa door!
Ah, sa door ka pala?
Opo!
Punta ko dyan.
Wait lang. Cheating. I'm just cheating. Ay! Cheating ako!
Bakit?
Ito. Ay, naku.
Wait lang kaya.
I'm just cheat.
Wala, where are you?
Dito!
You are cheating ah.
But there's no rules. So I'm just cheating. So guys, if you see this game, just cheat if you're in stage 19. No! What? What? Ano?
I'm dead.
That's what you get for not waiting for me.
Dead.
Sa tako ay ang iyong isipin mo. Iba't pa kung harap ko sa
Oh, what's your level now?
23.
5.
25 eh?
Yeah?
Ba yun na to Zoom?
No sharing. You are cheating.
Ano?
Maduga ikaw.
Dito ako na ang sa stage 25.
26.
26.
27.
Ba yun? Uy! Uy, wait lang natin
Ayun ikaw.
Leaving ako na.
Hindi, bakit ikaw laro ah?
Ay, hindi. Wait, ikaw.
Sige, wait ka dito.
Ba yan?
Pamikit ka sa strawberry.
Ikaw ang strawberry?
Hindi, is my favorite.
Ang laro.
Tagal mo.
Ano? Hindi ako tagaw.
Kakain lang ako. So big strawberry.
Yo! I'm so tiny. Look how big. Oh, I can't zoom out even further.
Where are you?
Dito ako na. Ang sap. Ikaw yan ang sa strawberry?
Ha? Ano ikaw? Go, go.
Uy. 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 Nam nam nam. Nam nam nam.
Where are you?
Dito ang sa strawberry. Yummy! Tato ko ay ang saan ikaw?
Paunahan. Ay, aya. Ang first, paunahan tayo, okay?
Say what? 30? 32 ikaw doon na. Ba yan? Ay. Aray! Bakit napatay ako?
Kasi meron din ano.
Ay, poison.
Oo. Allah, ito na.
Aray! Aray!
Dapat finish natin to ah.
Oy, wait, no, Ate Sam!
Look so small.
Uy, Ate Sam, wait lang!
Yeah, ang wait you. Ang wait you here.
Naku, Ate Sam. Ba yun, Ate Sam? Guys, if you guys are wondering how am I literally seeing this if I'm not on my computer, well, I'm using a tablet. Why is there I thought that was I thought that was chocolate. The pronunciation is fine. Oy, wait lang, Ate Sam, bakit na 43? Ikaw na!
Ano mo alam?
Dito. Why am I... Illusion. Illusion.
Si Aya?
Saan?
Bao, may tut. Gusto yun. Gusto din.
Hindi ako yan!
Ano ba ito? Hindi ba ako makatapos?
Hindi ako yan.
Niloko mo ko namin.
Iba yan ito sa... Bakit 47? Ikaw na!
Ano 47?
Dito, ang sa stage. Ito ako na, ang sa 40.
Hindi na mo kasi.
Alright! Ano ba? Stone City. Wednesday AC. Looks like I was wrong. Fast and steady. Wednesday
Finish
AC.
this, Aya.
Whee!
Next round, okay? Next play, okay?
Oy, wait lang.
Aya, who take your bath?
Mommy.
Where your mommy go? Where's your
Her house.
Oh, where's your house? Where's your house?
The name is Joss. Oh, wait. The name is Josina.
You
Oh.
finish now, Joe.
Oy, wait lang, Ate Sam. Bakit for
Hey,
53? Ikaw na. Ba yun? Wait lang.
wala kang pera.
Naku, Ate Sam. Bayan, Ate Sam. Hi, yo.
Ano ba yan? Nalilito ko.
Hindi ako niya. Hoy, wait lang, Ate Sam. Bayan, Ate Sam. Wee, out. Wee. Out.
Where are you? What's your level now?
50 na.
50.
51 na.
55.
Ano? 56 ikaw na.
Oo nga.
Tagalog na ikaw, ah.
Ano? Aray.
Alright. Ay, ito Tagalog, ah. Ano ka, Chinese?
I'm finished na!
Hindi.
Look, Aya. I am finished.
Kuya na to, Sam. Bayan?
Boss mo.
57! This video is pretty short. And after
Aya,
some
next.
already
Aya,
knew.
it's next here.
Hindi.
Ito next, oh.
Naku, ikaw ang You
Aya, ito
wait
next,
for
oh.
Mila.
Aya, ito next, oh.
Hindi.
Papaya.
Hindi. Hindi papaya. Ano papaya?
Where are you? Andyan ka na. Wait, pupunta ka.
Papaya. Dito ako. Ang sa papaya. Ano ang papaya?
Sa gilid ba?
Uy. 55. Ikaw yan.
Ay, hulog ako.
Bro, this video is so
Where
short.
are you? I'm
And
here.
yet I already finished it. Bye bye.
Where are you?
Bye.
Wait, minute.
What the hell is
Aya. Wait a minute.
I got black cola.
Wait a minute.
Anyways, bye guys. We already.
Aya, ito is next. Yes,
What?
next here.
Hey, wait long. By the way, guys, make sure to subscribe so you guys can see more of my videos. Stay tuned. So it's Iya signing out. Bye bye.